with the nearby bridge. This as the destruction had crowds of onlookers. Audible gasps were heard from on night as water swallowed a home along the Rapidan Dam. The family knew days ago the home was likely a total loss, but say recent conditions gave them some hope, sending them on a roller coaster of emotions.
We're going to be okay. It's all going. It went. It's not. Where are we going?
The house and nearby dam store, a staple here for more than 100 years, owned by the Hruska family since the 1970s. The store, known for its pies, now also at risk.
Feels like a death to our family, you know. We're waiting for the last piece to die off.